Join me guys, let's make yam and egg sauce together. So I've already washed my yam, I've already peeled it, put it on the fire. Now I'm adding some salt and I also added some plantain to it. So I'll allow it to cook now. So now let me introduce my egg sauce ingredient to you. I have some tomatoes, some onions, I have some pepper, tatashi pepper and habanero pepper, and I also have crayfish. I have my aromat, it's like all-purpose seasoning, and I also have my egg, my seasoning cube, and toner. Okay, I blended everything together apart from the crayfish because I like steaming my tomatoes because the water in it is too much. I don't want too much water in my sauce. So after steaming it, I'll go ahead and add my pot on the fire, allow it to heat, pour some olive oil, and I'm adding some sliced onions. So I will allow the onions to steam for 1 minute. After 1 minute, give it a good stir, and I'll go ahead and add my tomatoes, my steamed tomatoes. Okay, you can see how thick it is, not too watery and not too thick. So after adding my tomatoes, I will now give it a good stir. Then I'll go ahead and add my aromat, add some aromat, add my seasoning cube, add some salt, and then I've already blend my crayfish. Now I'll go ahead and add the toner. After adding the toner, I'll give it another good stir, and then I'll go ahead and add my crayfish. Please, if you're watching this video to those points, please help me to like this video. You liking this video, it helps YouTube or Facebook to promote my video, to share it to other people for them to see. Please don't forget to like the video and drop your comment down below what you think about the video, and also try to follow my page. Okay, so now I've already added my toner. I'll give it a test to see if my salt and my seasoning cube is enough. So after I tested it, it was okay. Now I went ahead and I added my crayfish to it, give it another good stir. Making egg sauce and yam is not it is not that so hard. Okay, it's a fast food for me, like, because it doesn't take too much time. So after adding my crayfish, I allow it to steam together with the tomatoes, and then after 2 minutes, I went ahead and added my egg. So now I will allow this egg to steam with the tomatoes for some minutes. I'll come back and then I'll give it a good stir. Meanwhile, my yam have already cooked at this point because I was in a hurry to go and pick my kids from the school, so I couldn't record it for you all. Okay, so I covered my egg for it to steam together with the tomatoes, and then I came back and I checked on it. My egg sauce is ready at those points. All right, so guys, you can see my yam and my plantain is ready, and the egg sauce too is ready. I wanna see this video. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Okay, if you are watching from YouTube, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn notification bell when you subscribe, so that anytime I upload a video, be the first person to be notified. And if you're watching from Facebook, please follow my page. Support me by following my page, like the video and share the video. So if you have already watched to this point, I have one question for you, and I know that only people that watch to this point will be able to answer this question. Do you love egg sauce and yam? If you love it, drop it on the comment section. Okay, and if you don't also love it, drop it on the comment section. For me, I love egg, and then I love egg sauce and yam. But my husband doesn't like it so much, so I don't used to prepare it every time. I just prepare it once in a while because it's not is this egg sauce and yam is not instant. Okay, just once in a while. But me, I love egg sauce and yam. All right, so at this point my egg sauce was ready, and I was in a hurry to go and pick my kids from the school, so I couldn't record how I was eating it or when I served it on the plate. Please pardon me. All right, thank you all so much for being here. I really appreciate every one of you. At this point, I'm going to leave you guys here. Talk to you all in my next video, but please don't forget to like the video, don't forget to share, and don't also forget to follow the page or subscribe to my YouTube channel. It will help me a lot. All right, thank you all so much for the support. Talk to you all in my next one. See you. Bye.